Hi everyone, my name is Patrick Starrr, and I'm going to answer some fan questions by playing with some puppies. Oh my gosh! Hello! Hi! Oh my gosh! Hello! Oh my gosh! Who inspired me to get into makeup? I think it's you. You have a smoky eye. You have a smoky eye. Oh my gosh, I was raiding my mom's closet, and I just love Tyra Banks. She's such the queen of glamour, and I love her so much. It's not about the makeup. I think it's just being myself and embracing who I am to be happy. What is my #1 tip for divas who have fuller faces? Contour the house down. Contour's gonna be your best friend. Like, this is my best friend. Oh my god, I want a dog. That kids are coming up. Kids are talented. Inclusivity is happening. Brands are taking notes, and it's amazing. I would have been a dog owner. I think I would have been a nurse. You know, I'm Filipino. Like, we like to nurse people, and we're just such loving people. And yeah, I would have been a nurse for sure. Self-adhesive eyelashes. We don't gotta mess with glue. My lashes keep falling off, honey. Natural makeup, just pile it on your face. I can't think of answers, you guys. This is so cute. Oh, you sweepy? You sweepy? Me too. I want to say probably like 1,000. 1,000 brushes. My skincare routine is a cleansing oil, enzyme powder, a toner. I have a lot of steps. Moisturizer, a serum, and then a hydrating mist, and a lip balm and an eye cream. That's a lot of product. Guys, Mother O needs to come on my channel and teach the kids about life. Miss Oprah. I love Miss Oprah. Keep going, keep creating, keep going, and not just to my younger self, but to everyone out there, all the youngins out there too. Keep going. You keep going. You keep going. Am I a big RuPaul's Drag Race fan? What kind of question is that? Yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I am the biggest RuPaul's Drag Race fan. Favorite queen of all time. The one who's giving everyone the opportunity. Miss Ru is my favorite queen of all time. I want a dog. Can I keep this one? Huge thank you to Vanderpump Dogs. For more information, be sure to check out the website, vanderpumpdogs.org. Who wants to play with my shoe? Excuse me.